Your credit score is a crucial financial indicator that plays a significant role in various aspects of your life. Whether you're looking to secure a loan, apply for a credit card, or even rent an apartment, your creditworthiness is often evaluated through this three-digit number. Unfortunately, the journey to maintaining good credit isn't always smooth, and sometimes individuals find themselves grappling with a less than ideal credit history. In this video, we delve into the question that often plagues those with a tarnished credit past: how long does bad credit stay on your record? Before we explore the timeline of bad credit's persistence, it's essential to grasp the fundamentals of credit reporting. Credit bureaus such as Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion play a pivotal role in maintaining credit reports. They collect and compile information about your credit history, payment habits, and outstanding debts from various sources, including lenders, creditors, and public records. Negative entries on your credit report, such as late payments, defaults, and bankruptcies, contribute to a lower credit score. The severity and longevity of these entries can vary, impacting your ability to secure favorable financial terms. It's crucial to note that different types of negative information remain on your credit report for distinct durations. Common types of negative entries. Late payments. One of the milder forms of negative entries, late payments typically remain on your credit report for 7 years. This includes payments that are 30, 60, or 90 days overdue. The impact of late payments lessens over time, but it can still affect your credit score during the entire 7-year period. Charge-offs. When a creditor determines that a debt is unlikely to be collected, they may charge it off. This notation stays on your credit report for 7 years from the date of the first delinquency that led to the charge-off. While the impact diminishes over time, the 7-year clock starts ticking from the initial missed payment. Collections. If an account is sent to collections, the entry will typically stay on your credit report for 7 years from the original delinquency date. Settling the debt or paying it off does not remove the entry, but it may be updated to reflect a paid status. Bankruptcies. Bankruptcies are severe negative entries that have a more prolonged impact on your credit report. Chapter 7 bankruptcies, which involve liquidation of assets, can stay on your report for 10 years from the filing date. Chapter 13 bankruptcies, where a portion of the debt is repaid through a court-approved plan, stay for 7 years from the filing date. Foreclosures. If you've experienced a foreclosure, it will typically stay on your credit report for 7 years. Similar to other negative entries, its impact lessens over time, but it can still affect your credit score during the entire 7-year period. The road to recovery. Understanding the timeline of negative entries on your credit report is crucial for planning your financial future. While the persistence of bad credit may seem daunting, it's important to note that the impact of these entries diminishes over time. As the negative information ages, its influence on your credit score gradually lessens, providing a glimmer of hope for those working towards financial recovery. Steps to improve your credit. Timely payments. The most effective way to rebuild your credit is to make timely payments on all your current debts. Payment history has the most significant impact on your credit score, and consistent on-time payments demonstrate responsible financial behavior. Reduce outstanding debt. Work on reducing your outstanding debt by creating a budget and allocating extra funds towards paying down existing balances. A lower credit utilization ratio, the amount of credit you're using compared to your total available credit, can positively impact your credit score. Check your credit report. Regularly review your credit reports from all 3 major credit bureaus to ensure accuracy. If you find any errors, dispute them promptly. Incorrect information can negatively impact your credit score. Establish new credit. If possible, consider opening new credit accounts responsibly. This can help establish a positive credit history, but it's crucial to manage these accounts wisely to avoid falling back into the cycle of bad credit. In the world of personal finance, your credit history is a reflection of your financial responsibility. Understanding how long bad credit stays on your record is essential for anyone seeking to rebuild their financial standing. While the impact of negative entries may linger, time is a powerful ally in the journey toward credit recovery. By adopting responsible financial habits, making timely payments, and being proactive in managing your credit, you can pave the way for a brighter financial future. Remember, the road to good credit is a marathon, not a sprint, and with dedication and diligence, you can overcome the challenges posed by a checkered credit past.